trying to feel pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on the model bra with the Hollywood smile.
Hi you guys, it's Bianim and you're watching XOXO Bianim. Hi you guys, it's currently 5:13. I haven't been on all day because I was actually doing work, but I just got off work now and I sent out a form to a couple of friends who are also returnees, who are also fellow returnees, because I'm working on an episode that speaks to returnees and just their experiences and stuff like that. I reached out to a couple of people for it and I'm I'm going through some of the responses and oh my gosh, I love my friends and I love the fact that they're responding, because I was super worried about this episode because I was like, oh, I'm just going to like take my time with it because I don't know if everyone's going to respond, but I have 7 responses, you guys. I haven't gone through it all, so I'm going to like take a quick look and then we're going to kind of just like script the episode because I really want to script this episode and then we're going to script another episode. I want to script 2 episodes today just so that this weekend is kind of really busy, you know, and honestly if I could script 1 episode and film that episode tonight, I will be very, very happy. I finished scripting, okay, and then I was like, you know what, like I also want to film because I have this energy inside of me and I don't want it to like die, and it just makes sense. It just makes sense for everybody. Okay? 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 Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Testing, testing. We're about to run it up. Run it up in these beats. Just finished filming podcast episode. I think I talked myself out, so I'm just gonna be quiet for the rest of the night. I might be too strong out and confident. I need to be quiet. Good night. Good morning, you guys. It is drop day for a new episode. 1 second, y'all. Let me go check something out real quick because I'm feeling a little bit of something and I don't know. I want to show you guys an outfit that I got from Abuja like a couple weeks ago. So I got this outfit from Donna Maison and I had it cinched to my waist and I think they over cinched it. Either that or added weight. But I could have added weight in like 2-3 weeks because I barely be eating. Anyway, we've been in bed all morning working, okay? Episode 2 of Wannabe Americana. Season 2 of Wannabe Americana is dropping today. Just got my nails done. All is right in the world. What? Okay, so I'm really trying to be like super intentional about like my September. I feel like all year I've just been existing, and that was my caption on my IG, like literally just existing. And I had a conversation with my friend and I'm like, I don't want to just exist anymore because I feel like I'm just like letting life pass me by and I'm not doing any like actionable things to like get to where I want to be or get to where I need to be. And I'm kind of a person that's just like, if things don't go my way, I'm like, okay, cool, it's a wrap. It's a wrap, right? Like I don't like go the extra mile to like get shit done, you know. But like something flipped. I don't know what it is, but I think something has flipped where I'm just like, I want to like chase everything and I want to put my 100% everything. Like one huge thing that I'm super proud of is we do have 2 episodes out on Wannabe Americana and they're doing kind of good. I'm proud of the work I put out there. Proud of myself for putting that work out there because, you know, like yesterday, like last year. Okay, wait, hold on. Kanye's calling me. Yeah. But anyways, you know how like August, like I was freaking out about posting my podcast. Like I'm proud of what I put out there. I'm just like in a state of like I want to you know, just keep on being consistent, pushing her out there, you know what I mean? I'm thinking like I want to have guests because I've like seen so many different people on social media who would be great guests for my show, you know, and who are based in Lagos. So I'm like super duper excited about that. Right now I think I have like a couple more things on my to-do list. Okay, pay for hair, which I've done. I did some content for Kanye. Add captions for my episode 3. So episode 3 is out. Like episode 3 is ready. I just need to like do.
Bro, what is buying soap? How much is buying soap?
Everybody's
soap 7,000.
No, I didn't even buy that one. I bought like the smaller ones. This one's like 4K, 5K. I said when this soap, that's like.
I said what is Lagos money this?
Just 4 bars.
Bro, I didn't be so I said. You should say a new buff. I don't feel it's water and sponge buff.
Bro.
I don't want to say
wait, come on, give me gum. Come on, give me gum. Was that gum?
No. I said, no, daddy say at least
we should go and buy start buying soap for me.
I'm going to go and tell you now. I'm like,
dead ass. I will be using soap in here.
there's number 2. Onyeka's birthday is tomorrow.
Onyeka.
Yes, and then she invited us for dinner.
Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit, some of y'all just look lost.
To all my sons worldwide, all my juniors, I apologize for my absence. I know I left you without a name to drop. I don't know how I expected you to get your clout up and get your money up, but don't worry. This is some visionary shit. Been trying to feel pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on the model bra with the Hollywood smile. Strip a booty with the rack like wow. Never forget you put me on the field and I never.
Guys, we are back for NYSC. We came on Monday. But I didn't film. But we're actually here when they're actually doing shit for NYSC, and it seems like such a vibe. I'm so hyped. Like, I mean, I could come in to play drums and come and do a little jiggle here and there, but like I cannot do this camp shit, babes. Like I can't. I want to go to my father's house every single day. So
what if you're on your period when you come to camp?
Exactly. Like literally. And there's nowhere to change, there's nowhere to do nothing. I can't.
I'm like, NYC is not that serious.
Yeah, I actually cannot. But fingers crossed today, we came Monday, issues, but we're hoping that this shall be the NYSC that works out for us. This is the fit. Wait, let me actually show you my fit.
24, we're 200 and something.
Yeah. Wish us luck, yeah. Wish us luck.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning, now I'm entering my bed. Had a few dreams about you.
Hey guys, welcome to my crib. I'm an artist, so we have this. If you watched Teen Wolf, you know the episode where those people were in the gargoyle. Those people were inside that thing and they came out, the Dread Doctors. Yeah, you have some art. I didn't do that art. So it's just art. Okay, come on, babe. We have Uyewole Lawa. Wait, you know. Show Uyewole Lawa. We have Uyewole. He's the artist. Okay? This is his, what do you call this thing? You guys, look at that. I don't know what it's made of, but it looks so cool. What? You guys, we have Puff Puff. Have you ever seen Puff Puff that look like this? Today we have a masterclass / workshop with Jola Aye, who is one of the hosts of I Said What I Said, and she's just like a businesswoman in general and hoping for like a lot of knowledge, meeting otherwise like-minded people in the industry. Guys, we are going to stream on Annie's stream.
Man, business is full.
I'm
Currently
I think it's gonna be fun. This is the look. Say hi to the fam.
Hi guys. I'm shy, guys.
Why are you shy?
No, I'm shy. I'm serious. I'm dead ass right.
In the kind of girl
Let's go in.
to hear
His body's dead, right inside of me.
I'm exactly where I'm supposed to
Tell me
be.
who you I thought you were.
Oh, wait, you always playing me. I did it for you, but I couldn't see it through. Roxy, I'm sorry.
Did you really mean the words that you said?
Hi, hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure your notifications are on. Bye.